Mindshifters, hello. Okay, so I am making tacos, and I'm gonna do a series like different types of tacos. But what I discovered, is this product. I'm so excited. I'm trying it. It's Siete, and I think I did like a really brief cameo of Siete. I'm gonna do maybe this video will be just different products or different meals I've made with some of their products. But I just discovered these grain-free taco shells. And like I said, hopefully over the next few weeks, you'll see me doing like the lettuce tacos, the cabbage tacos, and things like that. And what's the other one? The zucchini taco boats or something. But I wanted to include this because I just discovered this. This is really, really, really cool. So again, it's a Siete brand, it's 12 count, and it says for crisp tacos, remove shells from plastic, separate and place on baking sheet, open side down, warm in oven for 2 to 3 minutes. And I've already put the oven for 400 degrees, and I'm going to open it now so you guys can see. So let me try to follow the instructions, see how it look. Okay, so it's white. It looks like, sort of the traditional corn tortillas. I still feel like they're a little delicate, and I think I read on a review somewhere that they are. So I'm going to be very careful with them, but here we go. Yes, now we can have tacos. Thank you, Siete family. Thank you very much. And this isn't sponsored at all by them. This is my honest opinion. So let's fill up our tacos. So this is how they are looking. I like that they're kind of, they're sort of wide. Yeah, so I can put a lot of stuff in there. So I'm just going to pop them in. They said for 2 to 3 minutes. Looks so good. I can have actual tacos. And of course, for this series, I'll do sort of traditional tacos with lettuce, cabbage, and zucchini. But look, guys, there is no excuse. I'm giving you guys options, especially for those that are transitioning. Okay. So these are fresh out of the oven. I think I had it in there too long and I didn't have the light on. So they still good. I'm probably gonna break them up and make them like as nachos. But I think I'm gonna try maybe one more for like 1 minute. Or I may try it without putting it in the oven. Okay, let's give it a go one more time. Yep, that's much better. I popped it in probably for just a minute, not quite a minute, maybe 40 seconds in the oven. Perfect. Ooh la la, this is so good. Go Siete. Ooh, yes. I got some sour cream, some cheese. Again, it's from Mexican Blend Organic Valley. I put some shredded spinach, cilantro, and I'm gonna get some green chili sauce, and I am gonna be set. Hey, Mindshifters. I guess I'm doing a Siete series. I didn't think I was. I thought I was. I don't know. I'm gonna mix and match. So I actually had their almond flour. I'm going to make some quick chicken enchiladas. I put peppers. I baked some chicken and I shredded the chicken, and I had that all mixed in a pan. And I'm going to add a little bit of cheese to that. I'm going to fill each of these, and then I'm going to roll it as tight as I can. And I'm going to put some green chili sauce and some cheese over top and let that bake for about 15 minutes. And I maybe put a dollop of sour cream. I don't have any avocados. But yeah, this is just, again, something quick. And this brand, like I told you guys, this is, to me, if you want sort of a good or a healthy grain-free tortilla option or taco shells, I think this is a good option. So I'm going to show you. I'm not going to show you step by step. I'll probably show you the final product, but I want you guys to get creative. You can make some desserts with these. I just think this is a really good brand. And as I'm getting more, getting hopefully a better camera, a better something, or for my son, I gotta kind of do it around his schedule. I'll show you guys how to make your own tortillas. I think there's millions of videos about how to make your own tortillas, but I really like their brand. Really affordable as well. $5.99 are the taco shells, which you get 12, at least at Wegmans. And I think this is like $5.99 to $7.99, I forgot, or $8.99. So let's do it. So that's sort of the mixture right there, guys. I'm gonna add some cheese and I'm gonna fill that in a tortilla, roll it up, and I just wanted you guys to see. Yeah, I just baked some chicken and I shredded some chicken, and there you go. So this is kind of what I'm taking the feeling. I always get that. I wish my son was here. Oh. And I'm just putting it in a tortilla and putting it on one side and rolling it up. And I wish he was here so you could see the process, but you kind of get the idea. All right, this is gonna go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 25 minutes. So I use this. This is kind of what I use, this green chili sauce. Yes, yes. And I'm just gonna pop this in. And we shall see when it comes out, okay? Oh, Mindshifters. This smells so good. It's like, oh, you see that? It's like bubbly, so you can leave it a lot longer. It smells so good. Look at that. Look at that. You can leave it a lot longer. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of cilantro, some jalapenos, and some sour cream. And I don't have any avocados, but this is going to be my dinner and probably either my lunch or my dinner for tomorrow. I may be able to stretch this into 3 meals, just pure laziness. But yeah, look at that. That's so good. So I will top it off with some cilantro and sour cream and jalapenos. Okay. Mindshifters, hello. This is a typical Saturday. I'm cleaning up. We are about to make some chicken tortilla soup. So I chopped up some red peppers, green peppers, onions, 1 jalapeno. You probably want to cut them up in smaller pieces. So let's get started. I'm going to try something different. So I'm going to try to just kind of take my time. And let's go. So the first, I already said that. Okay. And I'm gonna take the peppers and I'm going to put this in the crock pot. Oh, so this is the instant pot. You guys know I tend to be a little, I would say simple. I was about to say lazy, but a little simple. But I'm gonna just take you through each step as best as I can. Okay. Next, I am going to add 1 can of tomato sauce. No salt added. There should be no additional sugar either. Okay, let's pour that in. Next, I'm going to add 3 cups of chicken broth. Next, I'm going to add a mixture of sauces, or a seasoning. I have ground cumin, I have 2 types of chili powder, oregano, garlic, onion, pink Himalayan sea salt, black pepper. What else do I have? think that's it. It smells good. Get every little bit off. And I have a mixture of white wine vinegar and some olive oil. So I'm going to mix all that, and then I'm going to place the chicken in. I forgot I'm adding some green chili sauce too. So stir that up really well. Oh, that smells so good, guys. And then I'm going to place the chicken thighs in there, and we're going to cook for 4 hours on low. So I took all the chicken out and I sort of shredded it, and you should probably shred it a little better than I did. And I just dump it back in, and I'm going to put a little bit more thickener in it so it'll thicken up a little bit, and then I will put it in a bowl and maybe top it off with some cheese, cilantro, jalapenos, and sour cream, and some grain-free tortilla chips. Okay, see you in a little.